This is really nice out here. Every day passes. My heart still feels the same way. There's a floating box over there, I don't know why. But, you know what? I just gotta keep telling myself it's gonna get better. But...
It would get better for you if you would actually stop taking things that don't belong to you.
Shit. Rifle. Listen, I had to do what I had to do, alright?
Do what? Steal something that doesn't belong to you so you can give it to somebody else? I already know Sonic's game now. You don't have to play around.
Well?
I'm not stupid.
Yeah. Well, let's just say... they weren't even yours to begin with either. So, you can either just back off...
Not mine to begin with.
You can just either back off and leave me the hell alone, or... you can deal with someone
else. Clearly, understand that you've been helping a thief this entire time.
Maurice is not a thief. And unlike you, at least he's not a genocidal maniac.
Genocidal? I doubt that. Besides, you don't even understand why exactly they were forged. They were forged for me.
I don't care if they're forged for you. I'm not letting you have them. How do I... shoot. I gotta get a hold of the team.
You can run if you want. This isn't going to spare you my whole time. I'm far faster than you know. You do it.
Get away from me. Alright? I already have to deal with genocidal maniacs around here. I don't need to deal with you. Ooh, boost pad.
I am reminding you, I am not genocidal. If I was, I would have destroyed this timeline already. But I don't want to.
It doesn't matter. Those solstice crystals are not yours. End of story.
They are mine. They were created for me. It's even stated in the files themselves.
Files, smiles, it don't matter. For the last time,
hey, you.
No. Shadow! Eclipse!
Oh. The whole thing is together.
Yeah.
What?
You're not getting that crystal.
I am, so. There's nothing you can do to change that.
Battle me for it, then.
Pardon?
You heard me. Battle me for it.
Are you really trying to die?
I'm not going to die. Either you will, or you might live. It's different this time.
How so? I almost killed you. What's to say that this time is going to be?
You're about to see. I want you to get back to that percentage you were last time. To start off with, don't start off slow. Don't want a pity fight like the last time.
You don't start off as third.
Yes.
Sure. Motherfucker, haven't you?
Just do it and stop talking.
Very well, if you want to be talking, we can use it. I'm starting to get annoyed with this constant stealing.
You know, I notice you're a little more agitated. What's wrong? Did something happen?
It's none of your own business.
That's not what
Nothing
the
you need
bruise
to put
mark
your nose
says. You're a little
Shut
bruised.
yourself.
You got beaten in a fight, didn't you?
That's nothing that you have to nose yourself into.
Fine.
I don't need a tiny little insect like you trying to go into something that is none of your business.
Whatever. It doesn't matter to me. Now let's see you handle this. Chaos Control!
Oh!
What?
That's gonna leave a mark.
Not like last time.
How does it? It doesn't matter. Fine then.
Huh?
What?
Not as strong as you used to be. I don't even feel it.
What?
Wait, what?
No,
What's
it's
going
not.
on?
Right.
What?
When I said you should have killed me beforehand, this is what I warned you about.
I don't understand.
I don't even understand it myself. But ever since our first battle, I felt stronger after my defeat. I don't know
Enough
why.
talking out of you. Chaos Control!
Wow.
You're not the master of chaos control anymore in this scenario. I am.
Oh. It should be impossible for you to get to this level at this point in time.
Amp up your power a bit. You're disappointing me. What a disgrace.
Ooh.
Fine then. You want to go that way? We'll go that way. I'm putting myself before you. I do not care what Norm says.
Fine then. Let's do this. Chaos Spear!
Fine. That's it. Wanna play that game? I'll use one of my chaos energies.
Fine. Do it. Do it at your full max as well. I want you to do it right here. I want you to have fear in your eyes after I'm done with you.
Well, you want to be up. Don't frighten me. You feel.
I'm getting nervous about this one.
Oblivion Cannon.
Oh my god! Huh? Wait.
What? How?
Weak.
How? Huh? That's it. I've had just about enough of you.
This is entertaining.
I'm done. I'm done for. I don't care if this affects the timeline. I am done.
Land run right here. Your strongest hit.
For that, Alright. Ha!
Pathetic.
How? It took me years to get by. I don't understand. That's it. Nora, I don't care what you say. Fine. I'll go. Because I'm just about done. This little goose chase. There's something that could be just simple.
Ah!
Is that all you got? Disappointing.
But we're gonna have to try to see it over this time.
Huh?
Because this is a ceiling of problems.
Fine then. Do your
Say
chaos
goodbye to the
control.
I'm not gonna have to deal with chaos control. All I'm gonna have to do is a chaos instability.
Get it over
Nice.
with.
Chaos rupture!
Huh? Where are we? Oh god, Eclipse, oh thank goodness you're okay. Huh.
This place seems familiar. What is this place?
We were nearby Soliana. So, this is just the remains of what was the city that was left.
That's impossible. What happened here?
Why am I getting 065?
I told you. I can affect chaos energy, also meaning the chaos energy within the world itself. I told you, I was done.
Fine then. If you're
So
cracking
you're
up,
going to die
stuff.
here. I'm going to make sure you die in an empty hell.
You got that reversed. You're the one that's gonna die here. I've been working on something. Well, our last battle. It kind of happened after I woke up, healing. It's something I've been practicing.
Oh,
What?
move at that. So, I see you know how to use negative chaos energy as well.
Yeah,
Is that a dark form?
it's not a dark form. As redundant as it is, I'm not calling it that. It's way different. I call this Tyrant!
Well then, let's see how you fight then, little tyrant.
Let's go. Right in your eye. Looks like your friend's getting hurt there.
Damn it! I told you to stay out of the way, Nora. I'm getting annoyed with you.
Chaos Spear! You can't handle my Chaos Spears at this level.
shouldn't be natural. This isn't natural.
You want to talk about natural?
Why?
That.
This isn't right. I worked 93 years to get where I am. This isn't correct.
I just simply had 2 months to recover. Looks like your years of training was all for nothing, Shadow.
Don't you ever call me that. Ha!
All that drop of blood.
What? No. No.
Losing your
Not going
power. I'm gonna kill you.
Shadow? No, don't! Shadow!
Let's go back.
Shadow! Shadow, stop! Stop! Shadow! Shadow! Stop! Stop, Shadow! Shadow. Please calm
You
down.
won't learn from that.
Please calm down, brother.
Brother. You won't learn from this. Death won't teach him anything. He's already died 3 times. You think he's gonna learn again? He's given me every reason to hate, but I know when death will teach him.
Please, brother.
You're right.
I hate his guts too, but I don't wish death upon him.
I'm reverting out of this form.
That would probably be a best idea.
Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Didn't know why that got a hold of me there.
It's okay.
I probably would have acted the same way, so...
Sorry.
It's fine. It's alright.
Holy hell,
I'll
you
deal
didn't
with him.
limp on him.
The right way. Look up at me! I said look up at me, coward. You're gonna learn. Soon enough.
Oh. So.
Oh, you'll see. We're going to GUN.
What? No. No. No.
I gave you the chance.
No.
You're scared. You should be.
Not gonna take me there. You're not gonna take
I
me
guess
there.
you're weak. If you use another bit of your power, you're obviously gonna die. You have no exit. Should have listened to me. It could have been
Damn it.
peaceful.
Damn it.
Let's get out of here. I'm chaos controlling us away. Chaos control!
What? No.
Enjoy your prison cell.
No. No, 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 no! I can't.
You can't get through all the way.
I just have
If you're
to
wondering why your powers are not gonna work, by the way. You wanna know why?
What did you do to me?
Check your neck.
Huh?
I quickly put a collar around your neck. It inhibits chaos abilities. And your powers.
No.
I got it
No,
as a
no,
gift
no,
from...
no, 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 no. No!
Yeah. I got it from the people downstairs. They got it from the zone cops. Let's say it was a parting gift. You're not gonna be able to leave here. At all. As long as that thing's around your neck, you might as well enjoy your stay. You know this couldn't have happened if you would have complied.
What about... Shit. No, no.
You have my promise there will be no experiments on you.
I don't believe you.
You don't have to believe me. Nor do I care if you believe me or not. You'll just have to figure out that part for yourself. Goodbye, Rifle.
Wait,
This...
what about Noella?
who?
My girlfriend.
You should have thought about her before you decided to start shit.
She already knew about my plan. It was helping
Then I
me.
guess she's an accomplice, then.
You touch her, I swear!
You ain't going to do anything. And
I
plus,
don't
I'm
care
not
if
the
I
type
die
of
in the
person...
process. I will not let you touch her!
I'm not the type of person I will touch her or not. I'll just let her know that you're here. That's all. You can call her.
Unless you leave her and Vaya out of it. Bye,
Who's the other person?
my daughter.
Daughter. I don't recall a daughter.
Adopted.
In an hour or so, you'll be meeting with the commander. He would want to talk to you. If you act good, be on good behavior, he might allow
I don't
you to
want him
talk.
anywhere near me!
Too bad. You could have had a peaceful result in this whole situation.
I don't want any of them near me. I don't want to be touched. I don't want to be spoken to.
Well, you're not in any position for that. Goodbye, Rifle. I'm done.
Again, Rifle, you should have thought about her and your daughter before you decided to go after me and those crystals. But
Maybe you should have stolen something that didn't belong to you.
either way, I'm gonna give Maurice a chance that I know I will never get. A reunion with his soulmate. Farewell, Rifle.
So, you have something you have to say too? Or are you just gonna gloat about me losing? Go on, I don't care which.
No, not really. I don't really have anything to say.
Surprising, considering how you used to be last time. I just have one question for you. What is he? That is not a shadow. That is not an android. What is he? I want to know. Now!
He's my brother. Something you failed to me a long time ago. Goodbye, Shadow.
Wait. What? Hey, come back here! I have to find a way out of here. I can't stay in here. I can't.
Finding a
stay
way
in
out of here won't get you out that soon.
Don't talk to
Wait your
me!
time. You look exactly like Shadow. From what I expected.
Call me that.
But I know you go by designated rifle, so I respect that. I don't want no disrespect. I don't want you to feel like you're in any fear or any danger. All I require is communication. Nothing more.
Just being in here is danger.
If you think our facility is the same in your universe, then you are fairly wrong.
I don't believe you.
Then why not take a chance then?
Last time I took chances, this is how I ended up the way I am.
Well, with chances, there's always
Chances is how I lost Maria.
I can understand that. Maria was my cousin. I may not know you. I may not be probably the same commander you know, unless you didn't meet him or not. But I assure you,
I met him all
Nothing.
night. He was the one that made sure that I was not bulletproof anymore. He tested that himself.
I'm sure he was a horrible man.
He ordered all of those experiments. From
You have nothing to
crossbreeding
worry
just
about here.
biology and general.
The reason we had Agent Shadow put the collar on you, so we can get you used to here. If you want any further proof, well, I know that, of course. He's different from the Agent Shadow that we have here. We know he's an android. Made by Dr. Eggman. We were on. We keep him around because he sacrificed himself. He proved himself as a very worthy ally.
Good to know he has something going.
You know you could have something going for yourself here.
I pass.
Meet me in my office. I'll disable the shield for right now.
What? Why?
Give it a minute. It's going to deactivate soon.
What? Huh?
Come with me to my office. I want to properly know you, so I can understand you, not dissect you, like those monsters from that universe. I want you to understand we are not the enemy.
I'll see that for myself.
And
If
most
I'm going
of
to
all,
see that, I want to request.
what's your request?
Oh,
We were actually planning to give you a phone call, as long as you behaved yourself.
That's surprising.
We always give our prisoners phone calls. So, we're not monsters.
Last I
We're just
remember,
people.
if you spoke, you would be muted. Forcefully, or silenced and to the point where you would no longer be willing to speak.
Well, we operate differently here. Back then, GUN used to be a bad name. I'm trying to make it a good name out there for everyone. Commander Stryker.
Right.
Now, follow me to my office. We'll talk there. And if the other agents see you, they won't attack you. They know you have a collar on. So, you're good. This way.
Fine.
I
Yeah.
also imagine Nor would be like, what the fuck?
Boop.
You probably record Nor's lines after. Like, after
Yeah.
the recording
Boop
is
the
done.
rifle. Boop the
Like,
rifle.
what?
Mm-hmm.
Boop the rifle.
Stop touching me!
Ah! Have mercy!
VR logic in VRChat logic deducts because some of the boxes are not in the right place. Some of them are just floating there, menacingly.
They're just floating there. Menacingly!
Where are you guys? Okay, never mind. That's
Here.
Nah,
Up here.
I just don't see the bounce pad.
Just jump.
You
Bounce
just jump
pad.
your way up here.
Make my way downtown, riding fast, rifles after my ass now.
Well,
I got a blooper. Oh, yes, a blooper.
So did I.
Oh, hell no.
Dude,
Rifle's
I
a
was.
pooper and he shit his
Oh,
pants.
what the fuck? That's just dark. He doesn't wear pants. Last I checked, right, Fire? Wait, Fire, remember the story you told me about?
Why are you focused on his pants?
I love
no,
he literally
hold on. There's
did.
actually a funny thing. Before
I
he
lost my pants.
before he became Calamity Shadow, he did used to wear pants.
But then he lost them.
Mm.
It's like,
We're
No,
getting some
away.
Rifle X Shadina.
Wait,
No.
what? No!
Yeah,
Oh,
No.
God.
I'm gonna delete myself.
wait, it's like, wait, Rifle Chandy's like, I feel like I forgot something.
Everybody in the
Looks down.
comment
I
section,
lost my
please learn how to take that out of context.
Just imagine the funny,
So this
like,
is how you finger.
And Shadow is so innocent.
Sister. Meanwhile, it's just, sister, why are you hitting on the guy who tried to kill me? Who's also you?
I'm trying to distract him. Apparently Rosie said it works every time.
Yeah, like
Oh,
I
it's
said.
not working.
Well, listen, Dina, we're hot and sexy, so duh, of course we can get away with this.
Oh, of course.
You forgot.
saying.
He's into rabbits, not hedgehogs.
Oh, can it, Coral Reef? Too bad a Rifle doesn't have what I desire the most, but I still want him.
Alright.
Thanks for mentioning that Rifle doesn't wear pants. That means I get easier
Oh
access.
my god, AG,
Don't
you're
touch
sus.
AG, you're
I
being
was
very
talking to
sus. You know
Rosie.
that.
I was talking
Hashtag
I was
AG is
talking
sus,
as
ladies and
Rosie.
gents. Hashtag Rosie is sus too.
Hashtag Chris Varia. Varia is sus. Why are you? You know what? The you know the one who points it the one who points it out is secretly the most behind the scenes. So ahem.
Hey, listen, just
I'm
because.
Yeah, that just makes you
Somebody's
sus
getting
people.
canceled.
I've
Yeah.
already
Yep.
been canceled. I don't even have Twitter.
Sounds like
Yeah,
you
but you have
problem, girl.
YouTube.
Anyways.
My YouTube channel sucks though. All right, have fun, y'all. Let's go.
Alright.
Alright.
I'm already
Alright.
recording.
I am recording on my in.
Alright, I'm just
All right.
chilling here, waiting.
Okay.
And Shandy that got shot behind.
Really?
Yep.
Come
Why are
on.
you shooting your loads behind?
Yeah, that's kind of sus there.
I'm shooting Shadina, not into Varia.
It's still sus. Yeah! Why am I being bullied?
Damn.
Why am I being bullied? Is it because I'm adorable?
No, because you're just horrible.
Yeah.
Damn!
Wow. We got the body actor calling Shadina horrible, and the voice actor for Rifle going, damn.
Damn, you're right.
Shoddy like a melody in
Yeah,
my...
You guys
head.
ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
What the
Oh my
fuck is
God.
Werehog set?
I might have one. I might have it eventually, but I don't know. Too
Excuse me,
hairy.
what?
That was
Excuse me,
Rosie. That was
Excuse
Rosie.
me, what?
What?
Oh my god, yeah.
Lady, you are majorly
I think you may
Hello.
want to
Oh
mute
my
before you get
God.
canceled. Again?
I wanna know
We're
how you
supposed
know
to
this
get
That was
something
information.
Miss
right now.
Rosie.
Please, I
Alright,
want
have
to
fun,
know,
guys.
how do you have this information? I'm concerned.
Don't worry about it.
I'm
Shadow!
sending
Lady,
a
you're
doc-
majorly sus.
Help!
I'm voicing a character. That's not actually how I am.
I'm sending a doctor your way.
Good luck. She'll run him out.
Anyways.
Oh,
Alright.
said,
Okay, everything all good now?
Okay, I don't even remember which form I used last time.
Black matter.
Black matter.
Hang on.
Well, that looks like EXA. That's dark form.
Let me know when I have it. Oh, that's the Eclipse scanner.
Dark
What?
form. Oh, you just had it for a second.
Dang it, I really need to remember. I gotta start using this thing more.
Use the camera.
Alright, here we go.
There we go.
There we go.
I just need to lock it. Lock it, lock it. Alright, there we go.
There you are. And now you can just
Alright.
take the camera off.
Now this is where Shadina
I'm
will
gonna
shit
turn
her
that off
pants.
right
I
now.
mean, what?
Ah!
She's getting flashbacks of when she
kinda.
first saw the black matter form.
That was a scary day for her.
Yeah.
But he was using 5% there.
Alright, I'm ready.
Okay.
Okay,
50.
let's do this
Have fun.
in 3.
No, let's switch worlds.
Alright.
Yee.
So far, how you guys are enjoying the fight?
So far, so good. It's getting good.
He's kicking his ass.
Ian, he's
I'm
not happy. He's bad. He's fucking pissed.
He's Hanky Boy.
Yeah, I'm
He's
loving the
Hanky
fight.
Boy.
No
Where's it-
portal
oh.
appeared on my perspective. I don't see it.
Yeah, neither do I, and Dark disappeared. I think he went through.
Yeah, Dark. Yeah,
I'll
Dark and
invite you.
Firestar disappeared.
Why?
I'll
Why
invite
do you
you.
leave us behind? I thought we were family.
I'm not leaving you behind. I'm just getting you another ride because there wasn't enough in the car.
That just means I have more chance to kill Shadina. I mean, what? Think about
Hearing
you,
that
Luke.
filter with your voice going high was funny.
And I see the little
Alright, we're
baby
at the end of the
brother.
world.
Hi.
And why is... Oh, hang on. Lag.
Are we able to...
Why is there a pool table here?
Are we
I need to
able
disable
to...
it.
Oh. Oh, there's an option.
Where?
Right here.
Over there.
Over here.
Oh, okay, there
Oh
we
shit, I could switch back over to...
Alright. Turn off pool table. Okay, it worked.
I feel like when Shadow pops out semi-tyrant, freaking, people are like, wait, what is that? That's dark form, right? No. Shadow's like, nah, it's not dark form. It's not a copycat like all the others. This is my own new form I worked on. Tyrant.
Damn.
Sorry, I had to give Rifle his
Kinda
daily
weird.
dose of
Okay,
boost.
I'm making sure. I'm so making
Oh,
sure that this damn when I do work on rifle, there'll be a fucking toggle, so that way it'll be a little more easier.
How do you think I feel? Motherfucker ain't even quest.
The feels are real, my brother. The feels are real.
You a bitch.
Oh,
So are you little bitch.
hey.
You
Debbie,
have no penis.
Neither do you.
I mean, you're right.
You can't get a pee-pee touch.
What the fuck?
I'm gonna leave before I die.
I'm sorry. Apparently, I'm now trying. Let's just say that I'm so used to Firestar's voices that hearing Rifle's voice coming out of Eclipse, especially hearing that, I'm gonna go hide before I die, and then all of a sudden Eclipse goes out. And pretty much it makes me think, wait, did Rifle and Eclipse switch voices?
Don't
They
worry, we
swap
have the same
bodies.
voice. Don't worry, we have the same voice actor. It's fine. Send help.
Come on, I had it.
No, look, I'm using the voice everyone stereotypes me with, you know? Woo!
I'm more so tell the fact that I can't really access the fucking. Come on.
You almost got it, man.
Eclipse.
This way.
Try doing fist. Try doing fist. For both.
You a bitch.
Try fingers. Wait.
Oh, there we go. We got it.
Okay. Locking it. Okay.
Okay, now go over for me
I
right
am
now.
still working on.
Nor is probably telling him off hardcore right now. He's like, bitch, what the fuck are you doing?
Alright, get your. Alright, Firestar, go ahead and get your voice mic back on.
I fell off the stage.
Damn.
Damn, not here.
Do I have the
Alright.
thingy back on?
Yes, you got
Yes.
your thingy
You
back
got
on.
it back on.
Cool. Alright, that means my
Alright.
keybinds are actually working for once. Nice.
Alright, let's do this.
What the? Oh, Eclipse!
Huh?
Oh, there you are.
Hold on, my shit fucked up. Hold on.
Oh,
Oh, we gotta restart that. Okay.
okay, fine.
Okay. Alright. As redundant that is. Yeah. Restarting that. Hold on. Okay. Alright. 3.
Ooh, I'm the ghost.
In good.
Fuck your ghost. I'm trying to have a panic attack in peace here, damn it.
Lord.
And
Where's the
I
commander?
sneakily poop the rifle.
Don't touch me, motherfucker.
Touch.
Touch.
Can you see